Hey, how's it going? Today we're cracking open a Hot Wheels USA B case. We're looking for the Mustang Super Treasure Hunt, of course, the Dodge Viper regular treasure hunt, and I'm really hoping to find some fast cars to send down the track. So, without further ado, let's get into it. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I'm pretty excited about it. At least I've been hitting some of the stores. All right, let's see what we've got. First three cars. I think that Shelby might be fast on the track. I'm excited to try it out. Ooh, McLaren F1 car. It's a pretty sweet car right there. Put that in the race pile for sure. Ooh, Black Widow Silverado. That's a hot one for sure. Very nice looking casting. Centenario Roadster. Ooh, Maserati's pretty cool too. So far, a pretty good case. Optimus Prime. Zonda. We already went over that. I found one on the pegs. Got a Monopoly car. Also showed you guys that one. Porsche Turbo. That was pretty cool. No regular or super treasure hunt yet. Lots of cars that I think might be pretty quick on the track. We're almost through the top layer. Instant Boost. It's a coffee. It's a pretty cool little car. What are your guys' favorites out of this? Let me know in the comments. There's the regular treasure hunt right there. The 92 Dodge Viper RT10. Pretty cool. Let's see if we get a super. I don't know where that would be in the case. I haven't even seen the Mustang yet that it would be. A couple duplicates. I mean, that's to be expected. There's going to be quite a few duplicates in here. All right, that's finishing up the top row. We're going to move on to the bottom. Maybe. That one there would have been the A case treasure hunt, super treasure hunt. That is not a super, but that's the casting that it was. Another GT 500. These are tough to get out of here. Ooh, that one's kind of cool. The Kit Concept Impala. What do you guys think will be the fastest on the track? All right, it doesn't look like we got a super. That is the super right there, but that is not a super treasure hunt. Sometimes you get one and sometimes you don't. I don't know what the odds are. It used to be like 1 in 9 cases. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. That one's also not a super. Still a very nice casting. Looks great. Another Monopoly car. Very nice. Roller Toaster. A little play on words there, like the roller coaster. Another Zonda. Somebody said you pronounce it Sync. I said Cinque, I believe. 5 alarm. That's a casting that's been around for a while. Bounce and Base car is pretty cool. That's new for 2026. Oh, that one's cool. The Ragin Express. Rygin Express, maybe? Somebody correct me in the comments. All right, we're down to the last 6 cars here. Let's see what we've got. The Ghoulmobile. We got another Black Widow Silverado. Very nice. Anyways, there you have it. The 2026 Hot Wheels B case. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and have a great day.